I'm going to be going through what we're going to be doing for our curriculum topic this half term, as well as talking about some of the English and maths work that we're going to be doing. Our topic is another history one, and it's carrying on from where we got to just before Christmas when we finished doing about the Romans. We're going to be doing a topic called Traders and Raiders, and it's all about the Anglo-Saxons and Vikings and finding out about what life in Britain was like for those people. At the end of this half term, we've got some very exciting visitors coming in who are going to help us learn more in a practical way about the Vikings. What we'd like you to do at home is do some research on the sort of food and drink that Saxon people liked. Can you make a meal based on an Anglo-Saxon menu for your family and send us some pictures on Seesaw of that? That'd be lovely. Our English work is going to be very closely linked with our topic. We're going to be reading a book called The Saga of Eric the Viking and also looking at an Anglo-Saxon poem called Beowulf. As well as that, we're going to be reading some non-fiction texts all about the Saxons and Vikings so we can get more of an overview of what their life was like. In spelling, we're going to be carrying on working on using prefixes and suffixes, as well as learning some of the common exception words, the words that don't follow the normal spelling patterns. We're going to be carrying on practicing and using speech marks when we're writing dialogue, as well as looking at using adverbs to make our writing more interesting. In maths, we're going to be doing a lot of work on multiplication. We're going to be carrying on doing our times tables work, and we're going to be working up to doing the 12 times table. And that is the last times table that we're going to learn, that we need to know, ready for the test that's coming up at the end of the year. And then we'll have plenty of chance to do lots of practice so that we get quicker and more accurate in answering those times tables questions. As well as that, we're going to be doing some work on written multiplication, of how to calculate in a short written form when you've got maybe bigger numbers that you can work out just from doing it mentally, from knowing times tables. So I'm going to show you just very basically the first stages of that column written method for multiplication. So it's set out as we set out the column sums that we did when we did addition and subtraction. And you start off, as we did then, looking at the ones column. So if we look at the one that we've got here, 32 times by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. And then moving along into the next column, the tens column, 3 or 30 times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. So you put the 2 straight underneath that column and then carry the 1 across. Now you haven't got a number here that you need to multiply, so that 1 can go straight in there to finalise that answer, 128. So moving across to a bit more of a tricky one there, because here we're going to have to regroup one of our numbers to get the final answer. So again, starting in the ones column, 6 times 8 is 48. So the 8 goes there, the 4 carries underneath there. Then moving along to the tens column, 4 times 8 is 32. You then need to add on the one that you have carried underneath there. So 32, add 4 is 36. Again, the 3 drops down again across into the next column. We haven't got anything else to multiply out here, so the 3 goes straight into there to give us 368. We'll be carrying on doing our learning through prep videos to support our maths learning as we go through, and of course we're going to be posting lots of work that we do on Seesaw for you to look at as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye for now.